Assalamu alaikum. How are you all doing? Today I will show you how to create a gorilla vlog video using AI. To do this, you need Gemini Pro. I will show you how to get Gemini Pro free on my next video. Connect a VPN to a user server, then go to the Chrome browser and visit Gemini. Once there, you will look the left corner 2.5 flash. Click on it and select 2.5 Pro. Then select the video and paste the prompt. I will share you the prompt in my description box and pinned comment. Let's copy the prompt and paste it. You can customize it. Now send it. Wait just a minute. As you can see, our video is ready. Now let's check it. Now you see that.
Hi guys, how are you all? I'm Gorilla Bhai from Barishal.
Now,
If you want to meet me, just come to the Barishal Sadarghat. I'm right here in front of the market. Hi guys, how are you all? I'm Gorilla Bhai from Barishal. If you want to meet me, just come to the Barishal Sadarghat. I'm right here in front of the market.
download is
Hi guys,
successful.
how are you?
That's it for today. If you liked the video, don't forget to leave a like and a comment. And if you want to more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz guys.